The Wild Bunch.
So this is how you load it. First, you gotta make sure that this knob is not down. Gotta push it up so you can take out the, you could say, cylinder. Take that out. Then you would put some BBs in there. Take some BBs. Then put it in. Switch the knob back down. Make sure the safety right there is not, like that. So I can't shoot, but if I want to shoot, I take it out. Then it's ready to be shot. And then you just pull it out. I literally can't.
Okay, go ahead.
And you pull it out right there. And there's your cartridge. You can also, I'm also gonna get a new one. So get your cartridge here. Put it in. Put this back.
Okay, go ahead.
You just, there you go. You get your orange back. So this time you want to turn the other way and tighten it. Tighten that cartridge you put in there. Make sure it's nice and tight. And if you hear that noise, that air noise, that means it's good. Then you make sure the safety is off. This thing is down, so it locks it in place. Not all the time because I can miss. Obviously I'm not going to hit every shot. They fit in there. Very nice, you can tell. This is the cylinder where you put all the BBs in. They fit in there like they were designed to fit in here. They look very nice. See that? Looks good. I'm surprised they fit in here this well. See, we have so they go in there just like that. You can actually kind of see them. Well, look at, you can actually see them going in here. Not that well, but you can see them a little bit. Very, very nice BBs. I am surprised because I've never actually found the round of any of them. I don't know why, and I don't know how, because we've shot over 50 rounds, I would say, of these BBs on and off of camera, and I've not found a single round. Very nice BBs. I use them every time I shoot, and I just really like them.